bloody sweet.
27.
Himidurawa Lake in Ampara, Sri Lanka, a lovely lake in Ampara in the east of the island. There are two ways to reach the Himidurawa Lake via Polonnaruwa or Kandy. The most scenic route is via Kandy. It takes about 7 hours to reach here from Colombo, but is well worth the effort because lots of interesting things to see nearby. Can reach by train too, should take the Batticaloa train and get off at Galoya. Train journey takes a longer time. The best is to catch the night train to arrive here in the morning. Boat rides and fishing can be arranged by talking with the locals. The lake is a lovely sight to see in the morning at sunrise. An ideal place to do bird watching too.